Of course, the buffalo cauliflower wings. They're gonna be delicious. Look at that. And just pour everything. Whee. Hey everyone, welcome back. We're doing barbecue dishes today, and this time it's all about vegetables. We're trying to make vegetables taste as good as they can on a barbecue, because veggies are great. Right now we're here in Arnsby, which is where my fiance MJ's family are from. We've got a load of vegetables from her mum and dad's allotment, so we're gonna toast them up as well as some incredible classics. By classics, I mean, of course, the buffalo cauliflower wings, but I've turned them into kebabs. They're gonna taste incredible. And I'm topping them off with some spring onions, some chives, and a little bit of ranch dressing, of course. Over here, we've got some balsamic mushrooms. They are king oyster mushrooms with balsamic vinegar, olive oil. They're gonna be delicious. Of course, we've got some corn. This is freshly grown from MJ's mum and dad's allotment, as well as all of these delicious veg. Look at that. To bring all of these together, instead of doing any faffing around, I just made a herb oil. So that is 500 mils of oil. We've got some thyme in there, some parsley, and just whizzed it all up, added some garlic too, covered the veg in that, and we're gonna make sure they're nice and charred as well. Of course, a little bit of salad, and that is our veggie barbecue. This is gonna be amazing. As far as barbecue tips are concerned, we're using a big kettle barbecue. These are great because they've got a lid, and it's even got a thermometer, this one. This is like a little chimney thing you can use to get your coals nice and hot before you pour everything in, which is right now. So now that we've got flames coming out the top of there and those coals have started to get white, that's the perfect time for us to pick that up with our silicone gloves on and just pour everything. Whee. Perfect. Now what you'll notice here is instead of doing what everybody normally does and just putting all the coals out on the bottom, we've got a line of coals which is going to be really, really hot, and then we've got these two little gaps there, which is going to mean we can like have less heat here and more heat in the middle. So if you've got things that need a proper cook, they can go right in the center, but you've got these little relaxed areas out there for indirect cooking. That looks good, ready to cook. Cauliflower buffalo wings, ready for the barbie. Look at that. Here we have our king oyster mushrooms. They've been glazed, marinated with balsamic vinegar and oil. Just gonna top them with some chives, absolutely gorgeous. Some chopped spring onions, and to make the color all nice, a few chili flakes. Look at that.
Oh, I've been looking after you.
No, it's tandoori, which you particularly not fond of, but try that.
Tell me what your favourite was.
My favourite was the cauliflower buffalo wings.
Yay.
Love them.
Check. Family, happy. MJ, happy. Cleaning up, left to do. That is the vegan salads done. We had those random roast veggies with the herb oil. They went down a treat. And it's a perfect way to just make any veggies for barbecue. We had really tasty oyster mushrooms, which had been marinated in balsamic and olive oil. They were gorgeous. And of course, the BOSH classic cauliflower buffalo wings made into a kebab. What a fun barbecue. It's also been a really nice time to hang out with all the family whilst they make some reparations to the garden. And that's it for another video. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. Hit subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you tomorrow.